What's up, guys? This is Gabe from S&P Innovations, and we're gonna do a blowout sale. We're got a lot of stuff lingering around the shop, trying to clean up a little bit, spring cleaning, if you will. And this one here, we're gonna do a blowout sale on this one. This is actually a very, very low hours, low mileage Haltech Elite 1500 that belongs to David Ramirez in the red Toyota Tacoma. This one is been in your shop. It's the one we did the Caltrax on, did the power glide on and stuff like that. So we decided to step up into a Nexus S2. So we're upgrading him into the Nexus series. So now his Elite series is up for sale. So the Elite 1500, we're also going to give in the supply it with this original adapter harness kit. It's kind of ugly, but let me tell you, it works and it works well. It is already set up for the multi-coil kit. This is for the 95, 96, and some of 97, the 2RZ, 3RZ distributor engine. And we'll have the wideband module and wideband sensor. Wideband sensor will be used, but this part of it here, I don't even think this has an hour worth of runtime on this. So on this O2 sensor, we may have less than 10 hours of running of runtime, maybe 15 hours, 10, 15 hours worth of drive time on the ECU and the wideband. So not very much mileage at all. We're just trying to step him up into something more newer, more modern as we're coming towards the end of completing his truck. So we're gonna blow this out to you guys for a special low price of $2,000. $2,000 is dirt cheap because this Elite 1500 adapter harness kit on my website goes for over $3,000. So this is a smoking deal for anybody who is looking at one of our Haltech Elite 1500 adapter harness kits for the 2RZ, 3RZ distributor engines. If this was what you have and you want to get into an Elite 1500, this is the one for you. If you're looking at one of our 550 kits, this is cheaper than our 550 kit right now. So if you're looking at one of our 550 kits, upgrade into this one. This is a good one to have. This adapter harness has already been modified for the multiple coil. If you want to do our race coil setup, let me know when you're ready to purchase it. And we can make sure that this is, we'll clean this up a little bit so it's a little nicer. If you're not going to use the multi-coil kit, I'll go ahead and put the coil wire back in so it works just as it should. And it's already set up for I believe that was a speed sensor, a dry shaft speed sensor. If you need this set up for oil pressure or something, let me know. I can just change some pins around and I can make that work. So that's it. $2,000. And that's the Elite 1500 adapter harness, wideband module. I'll make sure you get the vacuum hose that goes to it. That's the rest of our kits are normal stuff. And that's it. It gives you a really good system, really good kit, and a really good price. So yard sale at S&P Spin Innovations. Just trying to get rid of some of this stuff, upgrade into David. So also, if you guys are going to purchase this, please send me an email, give us a phone call. It's not going to be on a website. I might put it on the website. We do have a yard sale section on our website, so I might put it on the website. But send us an email, send us or give us a phone call, DM us, give us a message, and let us know what you want. Fill out an EFI order form, send that in, and I'll make sure that I personally put a startup tune in it just for your needs with whatever combination that you have. So please let us know. We'll get that going for you guys. Zelle payments, Cash App, stuff like that. Trying to avoid that transaction fees that we have to pay because we're just a middle guy. We're just trying to help this customer out and help you guys out. So next we have is a customer's 5EZ kit. It's been sitting here for a while. He did a 5EZ complete kit, an adapter harness kit with a ton of features to it. We modified the adapter for a bunch of sensors and stuff. And then he ended up selling that Forerunner and getting into something different. So he pulled the supercharger off, sold it, pulled all the Haltech stuff off and sent it to us, and injectors and a bunch of other stuff. So we'll have some more stuff coming up for you guys. So please stay posted. We're just trying to make some room for spring and try to reorganize our shop and our office. So that's it. Gabe from S&P Innovations. Stay tuned. Thanks, guys.